Hey guys, welcome back to Idea Wizards 123. Whenever you use Chrome, are you bored of your old cursor? In this video, I will show you how to get a totally new variety of cursors on Chrome easily. So, this video is all about getting your cursor looks update. And I have a small link over here and I'll explain why that is later. So now I'll hop on to Minecraft. I've gone to the Chrome web store and from home I've gone to extensions and there you just have to type Minecraft cursors with a small slash over there. So then you click on add to Chrome. The first time it takes a little bit of time. Yeah. So I've clicked on add extension. Soon there will be a small image over here with the diamond sword. And once I click on that, there will be a drop down box. The first time you use it, there might be a little lagging, but the second and third time onwards, it's totally perfect. Yep, it's been added. So it's come and I didn't do. It took a bit of time because I kept on messing it up, but finally it's come. So you can see there are a few weapons here, all diamond. Then you can see a few mobs. I don't know why there's a chicken, but still. Then you have faces over here. There's an exclusive Iron Man. I like that. And then if you click on more, there's quite a few more. And then you have items like a bed, the other things. So now I'll choose this, the creeper. And once I've clicked on that, you can see that it's taken effect. There's a small tick mark there. But it doesn't work on this web page. So I just go to a new one. And here I've selected it. So then now you can see that it's come, and even if I click on links, it remains the same. This is for the Minecraft fans and I too am one. But now I will show you something else. It's not related to Minecraft, but it's fun. So here you just go and type cursors, and now you have a first one that says custom cursors for Chrome. I like everything here, but I prefer this one, and I just click on add to Chrome. So this has the same problem as the previous one. It takes a little bit of time, but then it starts working just perfectly. Yeah, so it's finally been added, and this one, once you have it added to your Chrome, there's a new tab that pops up. It says thanks for choosing custom cursor. You can just close that. That will not be required. So then you just click on this, and then in this one you can see there are two images, not like the previous Minecraft one I showed you. This has a significant reason, and I'll just scroll over so that you can see the various things that's possible. And I'm going to choose Jack Sparrow. Yeah, he's right here. So once I've chosen that, you can see that once I close it, my Minecraft creeper face is still on. That's because I didn't disable it. So I'll have to disable it. And how do I do that? You just click on this link and wait. Yeah, so you can see this green button over here. When it's green, you know that it's enabled, and when you click on that once, there's like a gray out, and you can see that it's disabled. So now this is fully enabled now, and you can see there's a sword, and if you go towards any link, it turns into Jack Sparrow. That's the advantage of this. You know whether you're on a link or you know whether you're on plain text. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And I'll reveal this now. I just kept this simply over here. It's a link to my other video. Check that out too. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And also click on the notification so that you don't miss out any of our awesome future videos. Thank you.